Guys, after subscribing to this channel, please make sure that you also press the bell icon so that no notification, no new video of mine, any educational video, is missed by anybody. Hello students, we just discussed HIV in pregnancy last Saturday, and it was a beautiful case discussion. The discussion was all about how the patient who's an HIV positive patient decides for pregnancy, what all counseling has to be given pre-pregnancy, she should be started on what kind of drugs, what all things should be investigated before she embarks upon her journey in pregnancy, the first trimester antenatal, how she should be counseled for what all things she should be strictly supervised, how should her entire antenatal care go, how much antenatal visits she needs, how she has to proceed for the labor management, and what are the strict guidelines of the HIV viral load, what about the CD4 cell count on which she can embark upon induction of labor, and what is the cutoff after which she would go in for a cesarean section, a planned cesarean section. What is the gestational age at which she should be counseled for a cesarean section, if at all? What should be the gestational age at which she should be induced? How should be postpartum check, how should be the postpartum surveillance, how should be the postpartum counseling, the management of a patient with HIV in pregnancy, how she should be followed up, what about contraception, contraceptive advice to a patient with HIV, and what care should be taken for the neonate. These are all very, very important points, and they were beautifully discussed in the class on HIV. And this is not exactly just a class in which I was giving a lecture. My students had actually taken a case of HIV in pregnancy, and we had a beautiful case discussion. Currently, we are having case discussions, obviously because of the practicals going on, and it was a beautiful class on HIV. So I hope to see you again in the class, and thank you.